Good morning. Let's have a look at the price of Bitcoin. So we're still going sideways in this range, but there are some important levels that we should have a look at. First of all, we did have multiple tests of this anchored VWAP. We tested it here, we tested it here, we tested it here, and we broke down on every occasion, but found support above it. So in a local value area, we're at above the value area low, and we're also above the upper range of the anchored VWAP, which was acting as support, as you can see here, but it also acted as resistance here, here, and here. Currently, we are above it, and the next point of interest would be the point of control, which is sitting about 91,400 area. So there is a possibility we could get a rejection. If we don't get a rejection and we do flip that to support, I'd be expecting to fill out this whole range, which is sitting at 93,175. And we do have these ugly double top highs over here where we have trapped liquidity, where we may come and take this liquidity. But currently it does look, I would say, neutral. So it's not bullish and it's not really bearish, to be honest. The one thing we must be concerned about is this anchored VWAP, because we tested it so many times. We tested it so many times, which basically means if we look at the lower range of this, which is sitting at 85k, if we do come back and test 85k or even this anchored VWAP, it's more likely we will collapse and then we'll come for this low here and possibly lower. So in my last video I did call out 68k. There's a possibility we will visit that area, or the possibly 72, 73k, and wick into that. But currently I'm looking for some more upward movements where I'll be looking for a short position. Now looking at the local range, which is a 15-minute time frame, we can see that we did have a swing failure pattern here, which is also shown live on order flow, and that's an acceptable long. And then we had a secondary long test. I think it was, let me just expand this. So I'm looking on TradingView, but the order flow shows, yes, we had a secondary test, 80k, which was a long entry as well. Now, when we're looking at these candles, we can't really identify where to go long, what's happening. But when we look at order flow, it shows us a different picture. So I've been currently holding some webinars with students that have learned a lot and have access to my custom order flow software, which actually shows them and alerts them where to go long, where to go short, and it actually gives you AI assistance. I will be doing a separate video on this. And if you do want to join this webinar, which is free, there is another webinar coming up, because the one I did last week got fully booked. It's sort of like, really got booked up really fast, so there is other opportunities. We will be holding at least one webinar every weekend in the month of January, where I do teach order flow free of charge. You don't need to buy anything. If you do want to purchase order flow software, you can do, but at least you got the knowledge free and how you can make money in these ranges. I mean, yes, we are going sideways, but that doesn't mean you can't make money. There's multiple, and I repeat myself, multiple trades here. There's so many. So you can make a lot of money trading Bitcoin. It's not boring. You don't need to wait for those swing positions. You can day trade Bitcoin. It's quite easy to day trade. And so if you do want to learn about that, what you need to do, then head over to my WOP page, and there is information here. Mastering crypto features using order flow and proven strategies. We use two softwares in this webinar. One's a free software, so you get that anyway, and one's a paid software. Whichever one you choose to use, you can actually It actually helps you with your trading. So yeah, you can sign up to this free webinar, which is going to be, the next one is going to be, oh, there's an error here, but I'll get that corrected. Sunday the 4th of January 2026 at 3 p.m. UTC time. So yeah, let's just head back to the charts. So like I said, all we are doing here is taking out last week's liquidity. We can see that it's happening now. What's important is, if we are gonna flip the value area high, the local value area high, that is, to support, and that is around about 90, 89, 200. It's also this anchored VWAP as well. So if you can hold this as support and really stay above 90k, there is a good chance that we can see 93, maybe 94,000, where we need to reevaluate the price. We also have inefficiency in this candle here, which is quite obvious as well, and so there's a possibility we can come and fill this and take out this liquidity here, but that would mean that we're going to come back down to take out the lower liquidity, and we also have those weekend lows as well, and the pump started on a Sunday, and you can't trust a Sunday or Monday pump. So I will be looking for a short position there. Now if you do want information and trading knowledge on how I take these trades, you can join the free Telegram group by signing up to BYDFI Exchange, who are sponsoring the Telegram trading group. But in January I will be migrating to Discord, a full Discord server, and the first 100 people have that free for life. So we will be migrating to this. Big things happening in January, including more webinars, a brand new software which I'm releasing as well. Talking about software, there is an indicator which my community has been using, and now it's free for you to get this indicator. This indicator actually predicts the price direction on a 50. It works really well on a 15-minute time frame, 1 hour time frame. You can see it's already targeting the 91 zone. I have made videos on this indicator, so you will be getting another video over Christmas. I'm just going through the editing process where I've documented this indicator and shown that how well it works. The indicator is available to purchase on my WAP page, but if you want it free, I'm offering 10 free indicators for the first 10 people who will join up BYDFI Exchange. Send me a UID on Telegram, on X, or you can do it in WAP as well, in the message section, chat section, and I will give you access to this indicator free for lifetime. So that's just something I want to bring out there. Now coming back to order flow is what I use on a daily basis. So order flow can actually give you indication on where to go long, where to go short, and it's very, very fast, and you will understand what's going on inside these candles. Plus there's strategies as well. There's strategies that we have built. Now with our AI assist, the AI assist will work alongside that software and actually give you alerts and actually alert you, to go long or short. And I'm not just saying this, it's over 99% accurate. It's official AI that does use machine learning with AI agents, and we spent a lot of money developing this. It's ultra fast, low latency. You can actually trade off the software. So you've got 2 videos coming out. We've got one coming out on PMX, and we also got one coming out on the software over the Christmas period. Now I want to thank the sponsors of the channel. They've been very great to me. So the first sponsor we have is BYDFI. Now if you do open an account with BYDFI, you will get access to the free Telegram group and Discord in January, and you also will get the first 10 people this week to sign up and deposit $250 in your account to use for trading will get access to the AI PMX and the indicator that I've just shown you. And we are working alongside BYDFI to bring out more webinars next month as well. So they actually pay for the webinars, because webinars are not free. It's my time and my knowledge, so they're actually paying for you to learn. So very good exchange, got good liquidity, don't have any UI problems, don't have any liquidity problems, don't have any withdrawal problems. Probably the best exchange out there. Second exchange is going to be KUCOIN, and they are doing a limited newcomer bonus up to $11,000, and they're also doing challenges. So the more you trade, the more you will earn with them. Now KUCOIN will be also sponsoring a webinar very soon, so you might want to check that out. More details will come on social media in reference to this. And then we do have the other exchanges as well. We've got LBank, KSEX, MEXC, BYBIT as well. Got the Telegram group here, and connect with me on X as well. Also do stay alert on X, because next month we will be starting doing streaming on X and Twitch as well. So live streaming is coming, guys, and it's not only crypto, it's Nasdaq and S&P 500. So yeah, coming back to the Bitcoin price action. So it would be good for us to sometime in New York to come back and retest this area here and find some type of support. Got the weekly VWAP over there as well. We're above the monthly VWAP, which we may lose, to be honest, because I'm seeing some other information on order flow, to be honest. If we can stay above here, then we would be targeting a new weekly high, in my opinion. There is a possibility we could retrace back to PD high and also weekly VWAP as well, and obviously retest the daily VWAP, which is sitting about 89k as well. So these are your support levels for this week. If we hold this as support, this zone here, I think we may possibly get a small rally, but I think the rally will fail. So let's not get too excited. We have some other important levels like PD low. So price actually, let's say price did collapse down to PD low, and we did break through this level, then I'm really gonna say, look, we've gone to 87 way too many times. We're probably gonna go a lot lower, but they can play around in this range. So we do have some support above in this range here for a continuation up. If we do lose that range and then we come back to the 87 zone, if we lose 87k, I'm looking at 85k. If we lose 85k, I think we're going to go a lot lower. So those are really your levels you need to watch. It's really basic TA. And like I said, if you want to day trade this asset and learn about order flow, there is a video coming out over the Christmas period and also on PMX. Watch it, it's free. If you want to attend the webinar, it's on Sunday the 4th of 2026 January. Attend that, and you'll learn a lot. It's all free, to be honest, so you will actually benefit from that. That's all I have for you guys. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Yeah, take care. Bye.